The automatic gearbox mechatronic storage unit MSU04 is a development by Kinergo that allows technicians to eliminate the most common problems among DSG7-DQ200 gearboxes. The tightness of the mechatronics hydraulic system is restored through the installation of an adapter cup and a new hydraulic accumulator of smaller diameter. The screen shows error codes that the MSU04 eliminates. The main differences of the original product are the laser engraving of logo batch number and QR code on the body. Simple installation with Torx T60. The box has a holographic universal installation sticker and QR code. Beware of counterfeit versions. Genuine kits are available through Drivetrain. The kits are supplied in the following form: packed in oiled paper and placed in a plastic bag. The delivery set includes an automatic gearbox mechatronic storage unit, an adapter cup, and 2 sealing rings. In some cases, restoration works can be performed without removing the mechatronics from the vehicle. For clarity, we have dismantled the mechatronics and are performing the works on the bench. We are removing the mechatronics cover. Attention! The system may be under pressure. Be careful when disassembling. When dismantling the old hydraulic accumulator, use a ratchet to loosen. After the sealing ring appears, the accumulator can be unscrewed by hand. Match the holes in the cup and the accumulator housing. Install the adapter cup at the mounting location of the hydraulic accumulator. To fasten the adapter cup, it is recommended to use the original bolts. Before installing the accumulator, it is recommended to lubricate the sealing ring. To do this, you can use the remaining oil from the valve body. Screw the accumulator into the adapter cup by hand to avoid jamming and damaging the thread. First turn it counterclockwise half a turn. Then take a torque wrench and a Torx T60 head and screw the MSU04 with the required torque. Install the protective cover on the mechatronics. If necessary, replace the sealing gasket. Now the tightness of the hydraulic system is restored, completely normalizing the operation of the mechatronics. The mechatronics is ready for installation on the car. Choose your automatic servicing and repair parts from Drivetrain. Your trusted source for genuine Kinergo solutions.